Hey there, Nicole Vanderwall, search marketer here, and I wanted to chat you through one of the common, I would say overlooked things in the Google Ads accounts. So you want to make sure that you are not making this mistake and potentially overlooking this aspect as well. And that is disapproved assets. So disapproved assets could be, anything from call out extensions, site links, promotional text, business name, business logo. Any of these things are all now considered assets or used to be extensions. So what you want to do is make sure that you pop in on a weekly, monthly basis, however often you're optimizing, to make sure that all of your assets are approved. A lot of times what happens is that some asset will be disapproved for like a trademark or even like a policy or a health and wellness, something like this. So you want to just make sure that you jump in every so often to make sure all of your site links are approved to give your account and your campaigns the best opportunity to perform in the marketplace. So we're going to jump into the account right now, and if you don't know, I will quickly show you how to go ahead and check that all of your assets are approved and ready to show. Let's go. So now that I'm in the account and I'm just under ads and assets, and I'm just looking specifically at the call out extensions. So of course you have a whole boatload of different extensions. So you can select all and just quickly look at them all if you like, or you can click specifically into each of the different asset types and take a look specifically at each. So now that I'm in the call outs, I can see there's a status column. So this status column is going to tell me that they're either eligible to run, that they're limited, or that they're disapproved. So make sure that you're checking into all of your assets to quickly make sure that they're all approved. If it is disapproved, you'll have the option to either appeal. So typically you'll be able to roll over the status here just with your cursor, and then you'll be able to click appeal. So if you need to appeal a site link if it's disapproved, or if something is approved limited, then you might just need to click the pencil icon and edit it so that it's no longer approved limited. So that is quickly how you will check into your call out, but rather any asset extension to check if they're disapproved. You always want to make sure that these are approved, because if you are missing out site links or call outs, it's just going to impact the click-through rates on the results page. So if you like this quick video and tip on how to optimize your Google Ads account, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and I'll be able to create heaps more content like this. Thank you.